How's it going, everybody? Well, car won an award last weekend at the Union City Car Show, so nothing special, just got a trophy from it, but she's looking pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to give you, it's not really a cold start, but it is a cold start because I didn't let it run very long. I just got it enough to back it out. So we're going to do that right now. So see if I can set this up where it don't fall over. Looks like I gotta go get some gas, so we are gonna go for a drive. I'm gonna take you guys along so you guys get to hear what it sounds like. Get my seatbelt on. And I'll be right back.